Welcome back, movie masters. What have I got here? The Amaran 60 XS. So, I actually have the Amaran 60D, but it's just a white light. White lights are great, but this is an ultra compact 65 watt bicolor COB LED featuring a full-size Bowens mount and industry-leading skin tone production in both warm white and daylight color temperatures. What it says on the back of the box. Let's see what we got here. All right. Oh. That's easier. Okay. Packaging away. Okay. Well, like this. I do already have one, although I did the other box somewhere in Germany. It looks better than the original. Well, if you want to call the original, it's got an X and an S on it. Okay, so what's in the box? What's in the box? We have our light, right? Cool. I have a little Bowens mount reflector. Okay, so we've got something to start with. Then, this is cool. So, this is a V-mount clip, and on the side you put 2 ampere batteries. And then, big long cable, if you want to run from the mains. Battery, well, power pack for that mains. A really useful tool that you can hook on to your stands to mount your light at various angles. And that's what comes with the kit. Now, I like to do everything battery powered. So, but I don't have any batteries. My V-mounts are being used on this camera. But you get the idea. This is what's in the box. Look, we'll plug it in. Okay, let's plug it in. So this is just a little safety thing. Go away. That will be useful. All right. I can't wait till one day we can just wirelessly power, like send power to things. I know you kind of can with those phone holders. We just need to take a leaf out of like Tesla's, you know? If anyone is a Tesla fan, he was doing this stuff 100 years ago. Sending power wirelessly. All right, let's plug this in. Boom. Okay. All right, so you press it once to change the power. But I want to know how I change the temperature. You know what? The great thing about this is it will work off the app on my phone. At a wireless device. No, it's a fixture. Okay, the Amaran 60XS, yes, set up, pairing successful, great. And it tells me on the app it's running through AC power. And now I can change, there we go, a warm color, a white color, and a brightness. That's great. Now I have the Amaran 60D and the Amaran 60XS lighting, baby. Well, that's what's in the box. There's not much else to it. I can tell you that these are a high quality, great light. Little, compact, chuck a V-mount on the side, 65 watt. It's pretty good. If you want to see, like I have already made a previous video on the other light, and they're identical, except this one can just change the color temperature. But now I have 2. So thanks for watching. I know it wasn't the most exciting video. Lighting is important. You could have the worst camera, piece of shit camera, and if you have good lighting, it can look amazing. Also, don't forget the sound. Anyway, this has been one of my weird and normal honest reviews. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time on Movie Masters. Enjoy.